All right. And nitrous here on this on this spot here. Nitrous. Okay, super striker here. Sharon here. Here, Mr. Football and Sour Swam here.
Right here.
If your boat is out of the qualifying spot, you can just break it and place it again. Okay, who wants to do the countdown in local chat?
Do you have ability
Okay.
you like to do it?
I'll just do it.
Oh, okay. That's
Okay, so when I say go, everyone goes. I'm gonna say 3, 2, 1, and then go. And on go, everyone goes. So
okay.
No way, he's taking the dude. Oh,
Shit, I forgot to turn on the Euro beats.
it's good. Ruby's help. They give speed.
Yeah, no.
I'm
You get
just
a speed
gonna
bonus.
put
You both get
the-
swiftness if it detects spot.
the Formula song on my phone, so.
You could someone just like start playing Eurobeat into their mic or something?
Wait.
$15 laps, yes.
Yep, 15 laps. We're just finishing the second lap.
Yep.
Lag
Oh,
alert.
fuck, lag.
That was a bad lag spike. Oh my god.
I got fucked over by that.
Yes, sir.
Do you guys hear the music?
No.
No.
Ah,
We
Just
can't.
finished second lap.
Yes.
I don't know. Ah, that's probably Discord's background muted. That sucks.
I'm kind of selling, bro.
Third lap is almost finished.
Oh god. I will give 500 to the person who makes brainless just leave. If you kill him, that's okay, alright.
Bro, back Marcus already? Oh my god. Alright, bro, let me go. Like, okay, go. Thank you.
No, don't let him go. Don't let him go. Make it
He's my
harder.
teammate, bro. He's my teammate.
Oh.
Go, go, go.
Fourth lap
Yeah, block
has
him.
just
Bump him,
been...
bump him, bump him.
Well, that's illegal in Formula
Don't
1.
do that.
Come on.
We started the fifth lap.
Yes.
Also forgot to say good luck to everyone.
Good luck now, I guess.
Yep. Fifth lap just over. Now starting 6, and I bumped just Leo.
Is Brainless in front? Or is he...
Yep, he's
It's
first.
Brainless and then
After him.
Shitty.
And just
I
Leo,
repeat,
I'm bumping into him.
600 for the main character who makes Brainless like lose.
Just finished 6 laps, 7 started already.
Can't see anything, bro. The chunks won't load.
I recommend you install Farsight mod for Fabric.
Oh yeah, that's good. Does that work on this server?
Yep, it works in every
nice.
server.
No, yeah, but is it allowed on the server? It is, right?
Yeah.
It's only
is.
client side
let's
loading.
7th lap is finished, starting 8.
Ah, I'm getting bumped.
Let's go.
We're halfway through the race.
Oh, let's go. Oh, fuck.
Ooh.
Oh, I got bumped again. Shit.
Eighth lap almost finished, starting 9th lap.
Bro, the amount of lag spikes is annoying.
Dude, I'm gonna lose my 2K.
Oh,
There's
shit.
too many
Why don't
lag
you-
spikes. I can't drive.
What are the odds, bro?
You're part of the
There
race,
are
bro.
not
You have to
eight.
adjust.
There are 8 players, and
Ah, fuck.
ooh,
Bombs. I'm getting bombs.
Mr. Football, are you just around behind?
Finished 8th lap, starting no 9th, starting 10th lap.
Ah, I'm about to get bumped. Fuck.
Yep, you're
Who's
my
behind?
lap.
Is someone like real close behind
Small.
Brainless?
What'd you say? No, I'm
I'm
just in a storm
behind.
of back markers.
I'm behind Brainless.
Ah, fuck, never mind. The civilians are right behind me. It's like
I overtook
riding me,
almost.
I ass.
That's good to know. 10th lap finished, starting 11th.
Ah, fuck. No, the bomb. Shit.
Yeah, come on,
Ah, the civilians
come
passed
on,
me.
David. Yeah,
Go,
David.
go,
Are you
Brainless,
not
Brainless,
first?
Brainless.
Like
Go. Strike,
David.
coming upon you.
Yep, I'm first. Brainless is
Yes.
second now.
Let's go.
Why are you happy?
He bet
Because I
2k
bet
against me.
11th lap is over.
just like
12th starting.
if Brainless doesn't get first, I get 2k from him, and if he gets first, I need to give him 2k.
Did you bet?
No, not on a specific player, just against him.
Bro.
I bet 2k that he would lose. And for a long
we on lap
time, it
12?
seemed like he was going to win.
lap number 12 is over, starting lap number 13. So we get
Ah, fuck, I got bumped.
3 laps to go.
Let's go.
I got bumped by Elias. Fuck. I think I've lost 2k here.
Come
I
on,
was so
Brainless. How many laps we got left?
We got. Oh god, I'm lagging. We got 2 laps left. Lap
Yes.
13 is just over. Lap 14 is starting. So we got lap 14 and lap 15 to do.
I just need you to sell, bro. Okay.
Lap 14 is over. Lap 15
ooh,
is
bumped.
Sir
starting.
Elias. You did well, Sir Elias.
When
This
I
is gonna
say that lap 15 is over, don't do any more laps. Just when you cross the finish line, get out of your boat.
Yes. And do all of you remember how many times you were lapped by
I do.
Okay, lap 15 is over. Do your last lap and get out of the boat. Lap 15 is over. Do your last lap.
Ooh.
Mr. Football and Tar Swamp, you're done, yeah? Mystic Dynamo Super Striker, okay. Lag, just Leo, Siren, you're also, you can get out of your boat. Who's there? Elias, you can get out of your boat.
fuck.
Football, I think you picked up my boat.
Is there anyone else still racing? I don't think so. Okay.
I don't think so. Let me go check real quick.
No, there isn't anyone. Okay.
I just won.
Yeah.
Does anyone know who, if they were third?
I just
third?
made 2k. Let's
Okay.
go.
Who's third?
We
do you
don't know.
think?
Okay, I'm gonna review the replay mod, and in an hour you will be able to view the results of the race.
You know, I just
But
bet all my
we
money
know
that Brainless Potato was going to lose. So, like, when he was first, I was really afraid that I was going to lose it all.
Oh,
Okay.
oh, my bad. I disconnected.
Okay.
No, I'm joking.